Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com and Cambridge International A and AS level mathematics regarding trigonometry. Let us do some solving equations. Look at this figure. The diagram shows 3 points L, M and N. Look at here. The point L, M, N are given. Coordinate points are given and join them to form a triangle. The angles alpha and beta and the point P are shown in the figure. Now, regarding this figure, we have to show that the sine alpha equal to 2 over 5 and write the cos alpha, and one by one we can do this cosines. First of all, we have to find the length of each sides of the triangle. Plus LM. Distance between 2 points LM is minus 2 comma minus 0 the whole square plus 1 minus 2 equal square root of minus 2 whole square is 4 and 1 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, the square is 1, which is equal root 5. LM. Next is MN. MN is these 2 points, that is 0, 2 and 3 minus 2. That's MN. Square root of 0 minus 3 the square plus 2 minus of minus 2 is plus 2 the square equal 9 plus 16 equal 25. MN and LN. LN is the square root of minus 2 minus 3 the square plus 1 plus 2 the square. Minus 2 minus 3 square, 1 of minus 2 is plus 2 square, which is equal minus 2 minus 5, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, whole square is 25. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 square is 9, square root of 34. We got here 3 sides. Now let us find the answer. Show that sine alpha. Here this is alpha, this is beta. We need to find the LP, the point P now. The point P, the coordinate is the point P coordinate, look at here. Here, this is y-axis, that is x is 0 and y distance is 1, 0, 1, 1. This is origin. Now P of 0, 1. P of 0, 1. Now we have to find the LP, the length LP. Now LP is there. Distance formula minus 2 minus 0 the square plus 1 minus 1 the square. Look at here. LP equal to minus 2 minus 0 square, 1 minus 1 square, which is equal square root of 4, because 1 minus 1 is 0, square root of 4. Now let us find sine alpha. First, sine alpha equal But here the sine alpha equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite LM over, no, opposite is for alpha, opposite is LP over LM. LP over LM is square root of 4 over square root of 5, which is equal 2 over root 5. So we showed that angle sine alpha is 2 over 5, and write down the cos alpha. We know that relation between sine alpha and cos alpha is cos alpha equal to 1 minus sine squared alpha, which is equal 1 minus 2 over root 5 the square whole square root equal 1 minus 2 square is 4, root 5 square is 5, which is equal, 5 is an LCM, 5 minus 4, which is equal 1 over root 5. Therefore, we got cos alpha 1 over root 5. Next question. Show that sine LMN, sine of angle LMN is 11 over 5 root 5. And that we need question number 2. Look at here. For this, we need to join from point N to y-axis perpendicularly. There will be point. This point is Q. This point Q. This point Q is y is minus 2, x is 0. 0, because this is parallel to x-axis and y is the distance of now we have to find first the length NQ. Now NQ equal square root of 0 minus 3 square plus minus 2 plus 2 square equal square root of 9 is equal to 3. Now we got the distance NQ. Now I can use sine alpha we have already, then beta we need, sine beta is, for this sine beta, look at the figure, sine beta is opposite, that is NQ over Mn, NQ over Mn. NQ is 3 over Mn is root 25, which is equal 3 over 5. Similarly, cos beta is square root of 1 minus sine square beta, that is 3 over 5 the square equal square root of 1 minus 9 over 25 is equal 25, the denominator 25 minus 9. Therefore, cos beta equal 25 minus 9 is 16. Square root of 16 is 4 over 5. We got cos beta, sin beta. Now come to the question which is asked as to find. We got this second. Then show that sine LMN. Third, sine LMN is number 3. Sine of angle LMN equal sine of alpha plus beta. Both together is the angle LMN. That is alpha plus beta. We know that sine alpha plus beta by some angle sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. Let us substitute the values. Sine alpha is 2 over root 5 into cos beta is 4 over 5 plus cos alpha equal to 1 over root 5 and sine beta is 3 over 5. Look at here, this is 8 over 5 root 5 plus 3 over 5 root 5. The common denominator is 5 root 5. 8 plus 3 is 11. Therefore, we proved sine alpha plus beta equal 11 over 5 root 5. That is sine element. Sine element is, this is sine element equal 11 over 5 root 5 root. Next one, show that tan element is 11 by 2. Now, tan element we need for sine and cos. We have sine element, we have like that cos alpha beta, then cos of element is the fourth one. Cos element is equal cos of alpha plus beta, which is nothing but 1 minus sine of alpha plus beta, 1 minus sine square alpha plus beta whole square is cos alpha plus beta, which is equal 1 minus 11 over 5 root 5 the square equal square root of 1 minus 121 because 11 square 5 into root 5 the square is 5 square is 25 root 5 square is 5 5 into 25 is 125 which is equal 125 is the common denominator, then cross 125 minus 121. So then which is equal square root of 4 over 125 which is equal 2 over 5 root 5. Now we have to find tan of element which is equal tan of alpha plus beta equal sine of alpha plus beta over cos of alpha plus beta. Sine of alpha plus beta is 11 over 5 root 5, 11 over 5 root 5 over cos of alpha plus beta is 2 over 5 root 5. 2 over 5 root 5, which is equal, this common denominator cut, then 11 by 2. This tan of LMN. So far we discussed and proved about this very interesting problem we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.